Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox not launching on your tablet. First, let's cover some quick initial checks. Make sure your tablet has a strong and stable internet connection, as a poor connection can prevent the app from starting. Next, perform a full restart of your tablet. This simple step can often resolve minor software glitches. Finally, head to your App Store and check for any available updates for the Roblox application. Keeping the app updated is crucial for smooth performance. If a simple restart didn't work, the next step is to clear Roblox's cache and data. Go into your tablet settings, find the Roblox app, and first try clearing its cache. This removes temporary files that might be corrupted. If that doesn't solve it, proceed to clear the app's data. Be aware that clearing data will log you out and remove any downloaded content, so you'll need to sign in again. This often resolves deeper issues. When clearing cache and data doesn't do the trick, a complete reinstallation is often the most effective solution. Begin by uninstalling the Roblox application from your tablet. Once it's completely removed, restart your tablet one more time. This ensures all residual files are cleared. After the restart, go back to your tablet's official app store and download and reinstall Roblox. This provides a fresh, clean installation, often fixing persistent launch problems. Finally, let's consider some device and account-specific checks. Ensure your tablet's operating system is fully updated, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. You can also try logging into your Roblox account on a different device, like a phone or computer, to confirm your account itself isn't experiencing problems. If, after trying all these steps, Roblox still won't launch, it's time to reach out to Roblox support for more personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.